Raspberry Pi Connect is an access service. We enter the website and look for it in the software section, then we scroll down to Raspberry Pi Connect. Then we click on Sign In and it asks for an ID. This service provides secure and free access to the Raspberry Pi from anywhere in the world. The first step is to create a new ID for free. After clicking Create, it asks for an email address, which we enter. Next, it asks us to enter a password and confirm it by entering it again in the corresponding field. Then, it asks for the username, we accept the terms, and finally, we click Continue. It asks for human verification, we complete it, and it will send a confirmation email. In the received email, we click to confirm the email address. We wait for the confirmation, and that's it. We close the windows, and the site informs us that it has been successfully confirmed. Then, we log back into the Raspberry Pi site. We log in again, confirm our account, and it will give us a welcome message. The second step is to connect locally to our Raspberry Pi. In my case, it is on host 28 of my network, and SSH is enabled. We enter the password, and once inside the terminal, we update the system. If the full version was installed, the Connect package is already there. In my case, I will install it using the command sudo apt rpi-connect, then we wait for the installation to complete. The purpose of Raspberry Pi Connect is to provide remote access over the internet, and it is a great service for the EOT field. The third step is to connect rpi-connect with the previously created account, and it will provide us with a link to continue. We copy the provided link and carefully paste it into the address bar of a browser. Then the site will ask for the device name. We enter it, and in my case, I will name it Raspberry Pi 5. Next, the device logs in successfully, and from that moment on, we will have full access. Similarly, the local terminal will also show the message that the session has started. We return to the site and click to view all devices. The fourth step is to connect. It will show us the devices, and on the right, we will find the connection method, such as screen sharing. The connection will start, and we click full screen to see the desktop of our Raspberry Pi. We can see that the connection is fast, and we can explore the menu and do anything we want. We log out and close the window. Now we try the other method, which is by remote shell. The session will start, we wait a moment, and when it finishes, the shell will appear, where we can execute the commands we wish. We maximize the window and enlarge the font size in order to execute commands, in this case, to list the contents of the folder. We use the exit command to terminate the session, which closes the connection, and then we close the window. This has been a short tutorial on how to use Raspberry Pi Connect. If you liked it, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.